Well, good morning, ladies and gents. I am just getting back to you with another update, man, and want you to see how we're going along. Say, bro, I need you to tell me, what do you see? Do you see new growth and more new growth and new nodes coming in? And yeah. So, are they working? Man, I know what I think. I'm gonna go ahead and reserve judgment, bro, for a little bit, and I want you to decide. Now, everybody has had enough time to see what they used to look like. And this one right here was in a really bad way, man. But as you can see, we kept the old leaves on here just to see if they would, either fall off, and they've been hanging on. They still look strong. They just look, they just still look bad with the infection, but the infection has stopped. As you can see, it stopped. It's not going any further, and we're getting these nice little cute nodes here. Yeah. Up and down. Moving on. I hadn't showed you guys this a lot, but this guy right here is really up. So are those over there. Let's get back to these crepe myrtles. Now, as you can see, massive amounts of growth here, new growth, okay? And lots of new growth right here. Now, guys, you know, and you've seen where we were before. Look at where we are now. And these trees they've been planted, I think, for at least 8 months. We planted them last year. And, they were plotting along, but man, we put these in here. And, yeah, man, I mean, I think there's going to be a conversation that's going to be had around this pretty soon. Now, this was the worst tree of all, but look what's happening in the center there. All this new growth. And it's only been 4 days for these guys. Yep. So guys, if you want to help improve your pots or outside garden, hit me up and I'll be sure to make you one of these and send it over to you. Like I told you before, we are just doing the beginning phases of this, but let me know if you want one and I'll get back to you. Just an update, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you next time.